How to log in Disney Hotstar in TCL Smart TV. Now, first of all, turn on your TCL Smart TV, access to the home screen, and now install Disney Plus Hotstar. If not installed, go to Google Play Store to install it. It's easy and simple. Now, open the Disney Plus Hotstar app on your Smart TV by going to app section. Now you can access to it from there. Now you can select the login option. You can select to choose the login method. You can log in with email and password, or with mobile number, or with Google or Facebook account. So if you want to log in with email, you can log in with email and password into your Disney Plus Hotstar account, and after entering the credentials, select login to access your account. If you want to log in with mobile number, you can log in with your mobile number, and you will receive a one-time password on your phone, and enter the OTP in the app and select login. So if you want to access your account with Google or Facebook account, you can now use Google or Facebook account. Follow the on-screen prompt to authenticate and log in using your credential. After that, start streaming. So once you are logged in, you can browse through the available content, select show, movie, or live sports to watch. So if you want to log out, if you want to log out from your account, go to settings menu in the Disney Plus Hotstar, and after that, select log out to sign out of your account. So this is how to log in Disney Hotstar or Disney Plus Hotstar TCL Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.